Today's topic is to connect SQLite database with Visual Studio. This SQLite database is standalone and lightweight. It doesn't require to install this SQLite database on the client machine. Simply install the installer. This SQLite database will work. Select this Windows Form app.NET framework and click on Next. And I will save this project on the desktop and click on Create. Now let's add some packages. So select the project, right click, then click on Manage NuGet Packages and click on this Browse button, and in the search bar type here system.data.sqlite core and select this one system.data.sqlite core and click on Install. Click on Apply. Installation is successful. Now click on the reference, right click, then click on Add Reference and scroll down and find this system dot and check this system dot configuration and click on OK. Now let's go to the Windows Form and click on this toolbar and let's drag and drop one data grid view and a button, and let's resize this data grid view and let's add one button here. And select this button and type F4 and change its text to load. Now let's create the database. So open this DB browser SQLite and click on this new database, and I will select the location. So select the location. I will save my database on the desktop, so I will select it desktop and my database name is employee DB. DB is the naming convention for database. Then click on Save. Now I will add one table and my table name is employee details, and if you want to add attributes then simply click on this add, and I will give here employee ID and data type integer, not null, primary, auto increment. Now let's add another attribute, that is name, data type text. In the same way, let's add another attributes, department, data type text. Then click on OK to save the table. Let's write some data in this table. So click on this browse data and click on this add row and type here James, department IT. In the same way, let's add another row. So click here Rahul, then computer programmer, and click on this write save changes to save the data in the table. So my database is here, employee DB. Now let's try to connect this database. So open your Visual Studio. Now let's add this database on my project. So select the project, right click, then click on add, then select this existing items and click on desktop and select this all files and select my database employee DB and click on add and select this employee DB and type F4 and change this build action to content and copy to output directory, copy if newer, so that this employee DB is contained on the exe file as well as on the run in the bin folder Now let's write the connection string. So double click on this app.config file, and just after this configuration tag, add a tag that is connection string, and within this connection string I will paste the connection string. So my connection string name is SQLite connection, SQLite con, and the connection string is here. So data directory means this database employee DB will be reside in the folder in which the exe of this app is available. So let's see the connection string. This is the first part, and I will pause a little bit so that you can copy, and this is the second part so that you can copy. Now click on the design tab and double click on this load button. Let's add some namespaces. So this first one is for connecting this app.config file and to extract the connection string, and using system.data.SQLite is used for connecting SQLite database and performing SQLite connection and SQLite command read. Click on the design tab again and double click on this load button, and I will paste the code for displaying data in the data grid view. So this is the code. This first line is for getting the connection string from my connection string name SQLite con, and I'm using here using so that this connection string con connection SQLite connection automatically close after this block. Then I am using try and catch so that anything error occur, my app doesn't crash. Then I am opening the SQL connection and I am declaring a string, and my query is select asterisk from employee detail, means this is the name of my table name. That is, I have to extract every row from my table employee details, and I am declaring a SQLite data adapter DA and a data table DT, and the data adapter is filled by this data TB, and data grid 1 data source will be DT. So let's run the project and see whether it works or not. So click on the load button so data is displayed on the data grid view.